How to use Samsung Pay on Walmart app. Step 1. Set up Samsung Pay. Open Samsung Pay on your phone. Add your debit credit card if you haven't already. Step 2. Open Walmart app. Launch the Walmart app on your phone. Log into your account if needed. Step 3. Add items to cart and checkout. Browse and select the items you want to purchase. Tap Cart and proceed to checkout. Step 4. Select payment method. Choose credit or debit card at checkout. If Samsung Pay is not listed, manually enter your card details. Samsung Pay works with stored cards. Step 5. Use Samsung Pay to pay. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to launch Samsung Pay. Authenticate with fingerprint, PIN, or face recognition. Hold your phone near the payment terminal or enter the card details for online checkout. Step 6. Confirm and complete purchase. Once payment is processed, you'll get a confirmation. Check your Walmart app for order details.